Creat-a-city. In a world of high-tech dependency, we are also connected, but yet so disconnected. It is a distinctive silence in the midst of so much noise. In a nutshell, we want to foster interaction with diverse people to continue creating smarter cities with our concept of Creat-a-city. It is a program starting with workshops of multidisciplinary and multicultural speakers, along with the youth, to generate innovative ideas that can be later implemented through a competition. We want to work with organisations like Common Purpose to reach out to schools and universities, starting with London. And we will raise funds from institutions that mutually believe in our aims. Thank you.
Our smarter city needs a better understanding of the energy we use. Our project will help deliver this smarter understanding. We will run a campaign which has 3 objectives. Firstly, we will increase the transparency of existing data in London regarding energy. Secondly, we will provide a decision-making tool that will inform local households. Thirdly, we will intend to do this in a creative and competitive manner. Local authorities already have existing data, and there is already a current strategy to open up this data. This data should be free, accessible and useful. We will use this data to create a league table of energy consumption levels within London boroughs. We believe that this will inform and motivate change both at the level of the individual household and at the level of the council. A smarter city needs a better understanding of the energy we use.
Yes, you've bought the meal and it's about to go down the drain, and you're thinking about an alternative to wasting the food. That's where we come in. We're smart food for smart cities, trying to make the city smart, because a city is only as smart as its most vulnerable citizen. Our focus is trying to integrate 2 distant bodies, which are the suppliers of food. And we have the supermarket on that end and major restaurants. And we're going to integrate them with their end consumers, which are food banks, and you have the soup kitchens. Tell me, if we're able to capture that center of integration using methods of internet and community cooperation, it is a potential that could improve the standard of living of the society, the benefit to most corporate organizations who are interested in CRSs, and give them a more attributive public face. Have fun, because this is the best way of making the city a smarter society for us all.
Hi everyone. What makes a city smart? We believe that greater equality, through inspiring young people to reach their full potential by increasing access to education and career opportunities, will do the job of making our city smart. You can't be what you can't see. We recognize that the rise in the cost of unemployment and the rise in cost of education has led to a lack of engagement by young people. So we present to you Opening Doors, an opportunity expo where we connect different organizations of different sizes with young people and inspire them, the next generation, to do more, be more, and make our city smart.
Hello everyone, my name is John. I've been working with London leg of Common Purpose, and our smart city solution is efficiency, technology and well-being. And our resolution is to tackle the NHS healthcare system, as we know is costing the taxpayer billions of pounds every year. So our solution is going to be to tackle that system in 3 ways, 3 different keys. The first key we have is a healthcare app, and the second key element is going to be a healthcare card. The third key element is the purpose in technology, whose already technology didn't exist and the patient's been using. So our idea to have smart city, because as we know, technology is our future, so we try to make saving more time and get people better.
Smart cities for my group meant smart technology and smart community. And the smarter cities had their citizens at its core, and that's the focus of our idea. While we were sat around trying to find a solution for a specific problem in the community, we realised that actually the process of doing that was solving many of the problems that were highlighted to us. We were connecting people, we were enabling citizenship, we had a platform for cohesion, And by sourcing the solutions from within the community, we were promoting the community itself. So what is our idea? Our idea is to have a platform which enables communities to share ideas and source solutions from a crowd of individuals within that and their skills and their resources, and bringing them together. So we will have events and digital platforms with themed challenges at the core. So why? Communities know their problems, and communities hold their resources. So there doesn't need to be a middleman, but rather they need to be encouraged to take ownership, take responsibility, and become smart citizens.
At the heart of smart cities are smart people, and we believe that smart people can mean a smart government. In the UK, there's a critical issue with engaging young people in political affairs, and we think that this can be done better by educating them from an earlier age, as well as engaging with them via new and innovative communication platforms. There's an app for that, iYouth. We see this as an application where young people can find political education that's easy and accessible so that they can have a better understanding and make better formed judgments. To put it another way, we'd also like this to be a communications forum where people can share their ideas and their opinions. This data can then be aggregated to show what key issues are recurring and how these can be raised and dealt with so that young people feel more engaged with social matters today. We see this as a smart city, smart people, iYouth. Thank you.
The problems we face today are that young people are leaving education without the proper soft skills. In order to help make a smart city, individuals, young people need to be educated properly and need to receive the right kind of soft skills. In addition, they need to be eating healthily in order to develop those soft skills so they can concentrate in class. The NHS spends up to £5 billion a year in order to help treat certain diseases such as diabetes and also strokes. What we aim to do with our EC app is to involve and incentivize the youth, the teenagers, so that they make the right choices, so that they eat healthily, and so that they're properly educated.